difference between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic replication. The DNA replication occurs during the S phase of the cell cycle. It is a multi-step complex process which requires many enzymes and proteins. So let's see the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic replication. In case of prokaryotic, replication occurs inside the cytoplasm, while for eukaryotic organism it occurs in nucleus. There is only one origin of replication per DNA molecule in prokaryotes, and there are multiple origin of replication, about 1000 in each eukaryotic chromosome. The origin of replication is formed from about 100 to 200 nucleotides, while in case of eukaryotes, each origin of replication is formed from about 150 nucleotides. The replication occurs at only one point in each prokaryotic DNA molecule, while for eukaryotic, the DNA replication occurs at several points simultaneously in each chromosome. In case of prokaryotes, only two replication fork are formed, and the DNA replication is bidirectional. There are many replication forks are formed in case of eukaryotes simultaneously in each replicating DNA. Prokaryotic chromosome has only single replicon, while the eukaryotic DNA molecule have large number of replicons, around approximately 50,000 or above, but the replication doesn't occur simultaneously in all the replicons in case of eukaryotes. The replication bubble is only one in case of prokaryotes, and there are numerous replication bubbles in one DNA molecule in case of eukaryote. Initiation is carried out by protein DNA A and DNA B in case of prokaryotes, while in eukaryotes the initiation is carried out by a multi-unit protein which consists of 6 proteins. DNA gyrase is needed in case of prokaryotes and is not needed in case of eukaryotes. The Okazaki fragments in case of prokaryotes are large, about 1000 to 2000 nucleotides long, while they are short in case of eukaryotes, which are about 100 to 200 nucleotide long. There is rapid replication in case of prokaryotes. Around 2000 base pairs are added per second, and the replication in case of eukaryotes is very slow. Around 100 nucleotides are added per second. DNA polymerase 3 carries out both initiation and elongation in case of prokaryotes, and the initiation is carried out by DNA polymerase, while elongation is carried out by DNA polymerase delta and epsilon in case of eukaryotes. RNA primer is removed by DNA polymerase 1 in prokaryotes, and RNA primer is removed by DNA polymerase beta in case of eukaryotes. And DNA repair and gap filling are carried out by DNA polymerase 1 in prokaryotes, while the repair and gap filling is carried out by DNA polymerase beta in case of eukaryotes.